Hey everyone! The holidays are just around the corner, which means it's time to start planning your marketing campaigns. In this video, I'll show you how to use push notifications to boost engagement and drive sales during the holiday season. We've made it super easy to get started with our new holiday campaign templates. We have a variety of options to choose from, covering popular holidays like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and more. You can fully customize them to fit your specific marketing strategy. Change the copy, images, target audience, and everything else to align perfectly with your brand. Now, let's dive into some best practices for holiday push notification campaigns. First, we have notification duration. This is key for flash sales. Set an expiration time for your notifications so the urgency encourages immediate action. Next, timing is everything. Use your Google Analytics data to pinpoint the best days and times to send your notifications. When are your customers most active? Cater to those peak engagement periods. Track your results. Add UTM parameters and goal tracking to your notification URLs. This will allow you to measure success accurately. It is important to schedule your campaigns ahead of time so you can relax during holidays. We've even included a list of all the major holiday dates to help you get started. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your engaging holiday push notification campaigns today. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Reach out to us at care@PushEngage.com. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful.